Hello guys, good morning to everyone. Welcome to Sirmeo's garden. Sirmeovlogs is here. Please do like, share, and subscribe. The desert rose or Adenium obesum is a slow-growing plant only growing about 12 inches per year. With a swollen woody stem holding lush blossoms of vibrant pink, coral, and red hues, it's easy to fall in love with Adenium obesum or desert rose.
You were just like one spring day,
If the Arabian Peninsula has also soil in your glands like it has with ours, the Adenium obesum is a must-have. There is no denying that these indoor succulents are showstoppers when you compare them to other dramatic potted specimens. Whether you place them on your patio, in your den, or on your deck, the houseplant makes an excellent warm weather addition. What makes this sun-loving plant even more interesting is the amount of care it takes for proper growth. The desert rose or Adenium obesum requires minimal care maintaining its trumpet-shaped colorful flowers for long periods. As long as they're kept at the right temperature, there's no way you can go wrong growing these gorgeous succulents. If this sounds convincing enough to bring this wonderful houseplant home, learning how to care for them is essential. Adenium obesum, the desert rose plant, is an indoor succulent with a wide variety of 2 to 3 inch flowers. You know what guys, what I do really like and love about this plant Adenium obesum is that this plant is easy to grow, and this plant is also an excellent choice for the intrepid gardener. This Arabian native is wonderful in warm climates or interior container gardens. Although the desert rose is a carefree succulent, it won't bloom unless you mimic its native region's conditions. The desert rose plant comes in many varieties and grows throughout northeastern Africa and Arabian Peninsula. Like its home region's cultural variety, the desert rose comes with many names including the impala lily, mock azalea, sabi star, and of course, dwarf bottle tree. Thank you so much for your love and support to Sirmeovlogs. God bless us all. Enjoy the rest of your day.